Hello everyone, this is Paula here. I am started out the day of thinking I'm going to make some paper clusters. And I've already tried this video once and messed it up because that's how I do things. I was just yapping away and my camera just turned off. So I thought I would make some paper clusters with you guys. And these are the ones that I already made with the other bad video that I was making. And so here we're going to start over. Like this one I'll use as like a pocket. And these I will use as like tuck spots. And as I was saying in the other video, the reason why I'm not going to glue all this down is because sometimes when I go to use it, I like to either be able to tuck in it or add to it by tucking in it. Like if I wanted to add this little ticket in there, I want to be able to tuck it under wherever I want to tuck it under. Ooh, can't get it in there. But I want to be able to sometimes add to it by tucking in it, and then I'll staple that on there. All depends on how I want it to look when I go to use it. But yeah. This one I will use as a pocket, and I did not glue that down. I just stapled in different areas. And I am just going to use a bunch of random stuff like some flowers. And I have this box overflowing with miscellaneous. I have a bunch of other boxes overflowing with miscellaneous. And yeah, this one is just a piece of paper that I had laying here. And I was about to add this to it, and I'm not sure what else yet. I just like to randomly add to it. And I have a whole bunch of flowers cut out. This obviously is one of my favorites because I keep wanting to use it, so I'm going to throw it back in there so I don't use the same one over and over because I'm good at that. And yeah, I don't really have a plan. I just lay it out the way I like it and then go from there. I have a ton of little people and I really need to use some of these up. I don't know why, but I always seem to want to decorate it mostly to the left. And I gotta stop doing that. I don't know how to do it the other way. It just doesn't like me this way. All my flowers want to lay to the left. And maybe that's why, because it seems like all my flowers want to go that way. See, there I am. Oh my goodness. Let's do this. I want to add this little guy too here, because I like him. And I'll also start second guessing myself. Always. Nope, I guess maybe that flower just ain't my thing right now. So, let's find a different one. Maybe none of this is. Maybe it's the paper. I think it is the paper. Because I'm really liking this right here. See, you just gotta mix and match and until you like it, I guess. And I like that so far, so I'm just going to staple that for a minute and then maybe add some more to it. I have a box of all sorts of stuff. Oh my goodness. Maybe sometimes I have just too many options. That possibly could be an issue of mine. Yeah, because I have the little box down here with some Tim Holtz peeps in it, or a bunch of Tim Holtz stuff. And since this little guy's on there, I kind of want him to have a little something to do with traveling on him. Kind of like that. And I like that. Oh my goodness, I'm out of staples. So, let's put some in here. I knew I was going to run out. I usually do. Okay. Try that again. I like that. I always got to have some flowers on it because it's just the way I like it. And now later, if I go to use it and want to back it on and use them as a pocket, I can back him on paper or cardstock or whatever I want to do to him. I also like to do some sewing after I get it all together. And that I'll do off camera, but I love sewing them. So there's another one. Another little guy used up. Let's try and use this little man. I usually like to use the women, but in this little episode, we're going to use up all my men. Not all of them because I have a lot, but we're going to use a lot of our men. Men and flowers. They probably don't like that too well, but here I am going that way to the left again. But that's okay. I'm already liking this guy. Nope, I'm not liking that. Let me see. Too much flowers. So, let me try this. Maybe put this on the, like that. I kind of like that. I gotta, I'm really bad at overthinking things. Really bad about it. But there you go. I love that. And later on, I'll either maybe add some little lace, sew around it, tuck some more stuff in there. But for now, I'm just doing the basics. So that's another guy, little. Excuse me. And I also, later on, use some of these and add to the top of those. So let's move on to the next guy. I don't have him on here yet. So let me see. I think it's this paper that I'm just not digging on right at the moment. I am liking these leaves with these guys because they just blend in so well with them. I like it. Maybe. Nope. I don't like that. I like this thus far. Let me get a little advertisement. I like my advertisements with my men. I like that. Nope. Nope. I'm horrible. See, here I am overthinking and going to the left. So how about if I do it this way? And I like that. Stop thinking about it, Paula, and just snap it. Good grief, Charlie Brown. Maybe I'll put some flour up there. That's kind of cute. So yeah, I'm going to staple that like that. And then we got that. And I can add to it. I can add buttons, lace trim, but he's a basic little guy that I like. And do I have this little guy on there yet? I don't think I do. So, I'm going to call this video Using Up My Men. My Tim Holtz men. That's what I'm going to call it. Butterflies and men, not so much. Flowers and men I like. Let me see. I think I'm going to use that. What is this? I'm going to use up some of these. I don't want that. Maybe a Tim Holtz card will do. Yeah, let's see. Like that. I want to use up some of this stuff. And I never... Oh my goodness. I don't care if I always go to the left side. Does it matter, really? I don't even know. Okay, let's do this. I love this little guy. He's so cute. Like that. It always works out best when I just toss it together. See? I love that. That's so cute. Oh, I don't want him so crooked. The cards can be crooked, but I want him to stand up straight. Stand up straight, little man. Oops, I missed that back. Oh, there we go. There, he's so cute. Love him. Okay, maybe that. But see, no, later I can tuck things in there if I want to add to it. I kind of like that. So, there we go. Another little man done. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, do I have him? Yep, I already got him. I don't think I got this guy though. So, we're going to do him next. How about a ticket? Come here. Ugh. A ticket. I'm going to try to make him go to the right. Well, that's to the left, but stay to the right, my man. Stay to the right. Oh, I like him because he's with some tall flowers. Tall flowers. And this peeking out. Ooh, I like that too. And let's see. Can't have words because maybe not that, and maybe this, because I got a lot of these little cards too as well. I think I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, I like that poking out on there. Okay. So far, we got that. But I think I want something. Let me see what we got over here. We got a little red. Oh, I like that. See, I could tuck that right there on his leg. There we go. There's another one. I love it. I like using up these little guys. So cute. Okay, that's not a guy. That's girls. Girls got to go back in. We're using up our men, ladies. Our men. Okay, let me see here. I want to use this who. Who, what, where. Who. He's going to sit right on there. Oh, that's cute. Sit right on there. Maybe this little tag behind. No. Maybe. Nope. Nope. Can't do it. Not gonna do it. Okay, let's see here. I like this little ticket though. A little greenery behind him. I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna drop it if I don't. Okay, now how about one of these little cards? We'll just trim it up. I don't even have to cut all that off, really. I'll just do this. And no. What do I want? What do I want? Maybe some color. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm going to do. And then later on, I'll add little buttons or whatever I want to him. And then we got that little guy. Ta-da! I'm having fun with this, actually. Normally, I don't like doing craft with me's because I'm not very good at it. Do we have this little guy? I don't think we do. So we're going to do him, which I love. Let me see. I'm getting my desk full of stuff. This is what I do. I get way too much stuff. And speaking of stuff, we're going to use this. Got way too much stuff for my little man. We're going to do that. Add a little flower because I love my flowers and my man together. And we're going to clip that right there. Like so. And maybe nope. No, I don't know. I think I kind of like him just like that because I can add stuff to him later. I love that. Okay. That's that one. Let's see. I don't know how much time I got on here. Oh my goodness, 14 minutes. Okay, I'll do a couple more and then you guys won't have to listen to me ramble if you're still here. Because I also want to show you, so you can add little cute doilies with the button right there later. Isn't that not cute? I love it. Okay, I'll shut up. Okay, I got these big old flowers out here. I really love these. And I'll link down below where I got these. Let me find another man. Since it's a big flower, we need a big tall man. Let's see, we got, I think I have most all my man used. So we're gonna have to, oh, I don't think we got him. So let's see. He's gonna be sneaking up behind the flowers. And I think I'm gonna cut this off right there and use that on a different piece of layering. And look, I'm actually to the right. We'll tuck him under like that. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. Okay, let me see. And then maybe I'll use this like I wanted to use in the last one. Yeah. That's cute. Okay. Let me staple. Staple. Oh, he's so cute. And that's only 3 pieces. I gotta use up some more. That's not enough pieces. I have way too much over here. I might put that on there. Maybe right there. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Staple, and boom. So cute. That's gonna look super cute on a piece of book page. Or, look on the side of this. Isn't that gonna be cute? I love that. I love it. Okay. One more and then I'll let y'all go. And then I'll just sit here and make a bunch of more and talk to myself. Kind of talking to I'm not talking to myself now because I'm talking to you all, but I talk to myself a lot. Okay. Let me see. And I hope you guys are not too bored with this right now because this is going to be my first little craft with me type of thing that I haven't had all set up already. Everyone's like, you need to do it more often, but I'm not real good at it. I'm not. I got to stop telling myself that and start saying, I'm good at it. I'm good at it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Because at the beginning of the video, I was doing everything to the left, but now I'm trying to do it all to the right. So I'm actually doing better, right? Okay, that's too dark, so I like this little guy right there. Maybe I'll do him to the left. And I'll make him stand out in the front of this, like so. I like that. We'll staple that. And yeah, maybe I'll cut this in half. And put it like that. I got the shakes. I got some different coffee. And I can't even have 1 cup of coffee and it makes me shake. It's that Urban brand. Oh my goodness. I'm used to Folgers. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Love it. So yeah. I just want to craft with you guys for a little bit this morning. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'll show you all the ones. Okay, we got this little guy. And this is just going to be called Using Up My Tim Holtz Men. Because I have a lot of the little guys and I love them. I just always gravitate towards the ladies, which I don't know why. But because I love all these. They're so cute. So cute. Oops. It'd be nice, Paula, if I was actually in frame, right? Don't look at my stand-up inked hands. Sorry about those, but now I'll have to take all these to the sew machine and sew on them. And then when I go to use them, I'll add buttons and lace or whatever I want to add to them. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching my little craft with me tutorial / just craft with me, I guess. Hope you have a great day. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.